Invention Process Technology to produce super strong materials with high ductility. In recent years, the development of super strong and highly flexible materials has become a hot topic in the field of materials science. These materials have a wide range of potential applications, from aerospace to medical devices. However, the process of inventing and producing these materials is a long and complex one that involves numerous scientific and engineering challenges. The first step in the process of inventing these materials is to identify the properties that are desired. For example, a material that is both strong and flexible is required for applications such as body armor or flexible electronics. Once the desired properties have been identified, scientists and engineers can begin to develop new materials that possess these properties. One approach to developing super strong, highly flexible materials is to use nanotechnology. By manipulating materials on the nanoscale level, researchers can create structures that are much stronger and more flexible than traditional materials. For example, carbon nanotubes are incredibly strong and flexible, and are being studied for use in a wide range of applications. Another approach to developing these materials is to use advanced manufacturing techniques. For example, 3D printing allows scientists and engineers to create complex structures with precise control over their properties. By using 3D printing to create structures with specific properties, researchers can create materials that are both strong and flexible. However, the process of inventing and producing these materials is not without its challenges. One major challenge is ensuring that the materials are both strong and flexible, as these properties are often at odds with each other. In addition, the process of producing these materials can be expensive and time-consuming, as it often involves specialized equipment and techniques. In addition to nanotechnology and advanced manufacturing techniques, another approach to developing super strong, highly flexible materials is to study the natural world. Many organisms, such as spiders and mussels, have evolved to produce materials that are incredibly strong and flexible. By studying these natural materials, scientists and engineers can gain insights into how to create synthetic materials with similar properties. For example, researchers have been studying the properties of spider silk for many years. Spider silk is incredibly strong and flexible, and is being studied for use in a wide range of applications, from medical devices to bulletproof vests. By understanding the molecular structure of spider silk, scientists and engineers can create synthetic materials with similar properties. Another natural material that is being studied for its strong and flexible properties is muscle adhesive proteins. These proteins allow muscles to attach to surfaces in wet and rough conditions, and are being studied for use in medical adhesives and other applications. By understanding the properties of these proteins, scientists and engineers can create synthetic materials with similar properties. However, the process of studying and replicating natural materials is not without its challenges. Natural materials are often complex and difficult to reproduce in a laboratory setting. In addition, the process of producing synthetic materials based on natural materials can be expensive and time-consuming. Despite these challenges, the study of natural materials is an important area of research for developing super strong, highly flexible materials. By combining knowledge from multiple fields, including materials science, biology, and engineering, researchers can continue to make progress in this area and create new materials with even more impressive properties. One of the challenges in developing super strong, highly flexible materials is understanding the relationship between their structure and properties.